Okay, so welcome back. So now let's handle our logic for the forgot password. Like if user forgot the password, then we have to send the recovery email to the user, and then we have to also set the new password of that user. Okay, so in this video we will generate the password reset token, and then in the next video we will send that token and the related data to the user for the recovery of its password. All right. So for that we simply have to import here a package that is called crypto. Crypto is a built-in package, so we don't have to install it. So after importing the crypto, I can go at the end and simply type in here generate password reset token. I can simply type here user schema dot methods dot get reset password token that is equal to the function, and in that function I will simply first of all generate the token. And let's first of all type here cons reset token equals to, I use here crypto to generate some random bytes, so crypto dot random bytes, and in that I simply pass here the value. So I want to get the 20 random bytes, and then this is a buffer, so we have to use here dot toString function also to convert that into string, and that I simply pass here the encoding that is hex. Okay, so we have successfully created our token here. Now we have to encrypt this token because it is not a good habit to send our token as it is. So we type here hash and set to reset password token. So you have to hash it. So what I do is I simply type here this dot reset password token. Remember that we have created two fields here, the reset password token and reset password expire. So we'll set the reset password token to, so this dot reset password token will be equal to the crypto dot create hash. All right, and the hash we have to pass the algorithm value, so that is SHA-256. All right, so create hash SHA-256, and then you have to use the dot update method in which you have to pass the token that we want to hash. Right, and in the digest you have to pass in the value, so that is going to be the hex. All right, so it will encrypt the password and set it to hash the password and set in the reset password token, and then we have to also set the token expired time. So set token expired time, and that will be this dot reset password expire will be equal to the date dot now, and I will add here the 30 minutes. So 30 multiplied by 60 seconds multiplied by 1000. So after 30 seconds, 30 minutes, this password reset token will be expired, and after that we will simply return from here the reset token. Okay, simply save it. Now remember that we are sending the reset token as it is, which is this one, to the wherever we want to use. The hashed version is only going to be saved in the database. So whenever we send this token in the URL, and after when you click on that URL, this token will be there. So we will again encrypt this token and match that with this one, and if it is equal to that, then we can simply allow the user to set its new password. Okay, I will explain that later when we'll move on. So there is an error that says that user schema is not defined. So let's Control S, and that's it. So in my next video, I will send the recovery email to the user using the node mailer. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.